Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this context problem. 21A3, 21A6, minimum number of steps make to string anagram. Great. Okay, so hopefully I didn't pronounce. I guess I pronounced this incorrectly. Okay, so you are given two string s and t. In one step, you can append any character to either s or t. Return number of the steps make s and t each other. And this is just a string of string that contains the same words with different order. Okay, so for example, Leetcode and the codes. Okay, so total 7 because you can spend 2 steps and add to AS, and then you take the 5 step to add the LEED. Okay, then your final results leads code S will the same as codes LEED. So you can check that there are maybe let me just use this as an example. So you can see that your final results here, you get like the 1L, so L1 and the LD3 and the T1, C1, O1, A1, S1. Okay, if you count this, you guys see you get the same thing, right? You guys see C1, O1, A1, T1, S1, L1, 3E, and there's a 1D. Okay. So it's obviously that they have the same dictionary, right? If you just count them. Okay, so this problem actually is very easy, right? How many? What's the append? I mean, whether you append the last, that's not important, right? Because the results it only depends on the do not depend on order. Okay, so let's write down algorithm. That's very simple. Let's count this, right? So we got the first dictionary. The first dictionary count that there is a 1L, and the 3E, and the 1T, 1C, 1O. Okay, and the second dictionary counts 1C, 1O, 1A, 1T, 1S. Okay, so you can compare these two dictionaries, right? You see that, oh, this has L. It says, so you can see this, right? So compare D1 to D2, you find that this D1 need 1A, right, and 1S. So you just add 1A and 1S. For this D2, you can see that you don't have L1, right? So you should add L1, you should add E3. And but T is 1, C is 1, O is 1. Then you need another, which is, let me see, C has 1, O is 1, A is 1, T is 1, S is 1. Also oh sorry, there's a I'm stupid. There's a D1 here, right? So you miss another D1. Okay, so total you get 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, right? So total is 7. Okay, so idea very simple. You create a two dictionary. And you count for I in S, D1, I pass equal to 1, for J in T, D2, J pass equal to T, and then you just count it. So one important property is that S and T only contains lower characters, right? So actually you don't have to go through all the characters. Yes, you only need that there's a constant step, right? Because there's only 26 characters. And so you need to map 0 to A. So this is the trick that somebody gives you 0 in the Python that you can run chri plus 97. So this will map A to 0 to A, 1 to B. Okay. And then you check that you added the absolute value of D1i minus D2i. Means that for each character, this is what they differ. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So this problem is very simple once you see that there's 26 characters. Okay, then you can solve this problem. Okay, see you guys next videos.